Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a quick video where I show you how to create Angular project. So firstly open the folder where you want to create the Angular project, and I'm going to create in this folder and click on this path and it should be selected and type cmd, enter. So command prompt is opened. From here, to open the Visual Studio Code, click the code space dot, enter. So it's open the Visual Studio Code. So to create the Angular project, ng new sample. Sample is the project name and click enter. So click on Y, enter, and we want routing file, so click on Y, enter. So here you can choose which style sheet you want, and I'm going with the CSS. So the project was created, and left side window you can see the project. Go to source folder, and this app is the component. So to run this project, enter -s-o. So it will show you the error because we are not in the project folder. So type cd space project name sample, enter. So now you can run the same command here, -s-o. So now it's compiling. So this is the Angular project output. This all code is available in the app component.html. So to check that, clear all this code and write the HTML code. And save this. It automatically compiles, so it will show you the output here. So if you do any changes, immediately it will affect here. So this is the end of the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. In next video I will show you how does Angular project works.